Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's choose here the phone's dialer and let's use the following secret code. So let me check the phone software information. Let's use *# 6776 #. And as you can see, the following software version pops up. So here you can read the model, Android version, baseband, and a lot of more information. Let's go back. Now it's time to see the screen light options. Let's just use *#. Let me do it again. *# 99 #. And as you can see, screen always option pops up. Now let me show you the manual hardware test menu. Let's use *# 808 #. And the engineering mode with the following testing menu pops up. Here you can see the device debugging, you can see the camera tests, you can see the media debugging right here. You can also here, for example, use the communication and other test menu right here. Alright, let's go back. Now it's time to open the Bluetooth test menu. So let's use this code *# 805 # and the following Bluetooth menu pops up. Here you can see the Bluetooth version or change the Bluetooth settings. So let's go back. And now let's use the following secret code *# 809 #. And sometimes the eco test mode may pops up. Let's go next. Let's use *# 803 # and the following Wi-Fi menu pops up. So here you can use the Wi-Fi settings. Let's go back. Now it's time to open the hardware revision. So let's use *# 888 # and the following menu with QR code pops up. Now let me show you how to check the phone information, how to use the Android testing menu. Let's just use *# 4636 ***. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by using the appropriate options. You can choose here phone information and you can read the current network, signal strength, phone number and other stuff. You can also here go back and use usage statistics. Here you can read the list of apps from the device. You can see the counter and the usage time. You can also use the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API to disconnect network, enable network or get connection info. You can also see Wi-Fi config to see configured networks. Let's go back and you can see the Wi-Fi status. So that's it. Let's go back again. And now it's time to open the calendar info. So let's use *# 225 #**. As you can see, calendar info just pops up right here. Here you've got a couple of information about your calendar. Let's go back again. Now let's open Google Play service mode. So let's use *# 426 ***, and as you can see, the Google Play services just pops up in front of you. Now at the end, let me show you how to check IMEI number by using the secret code. So let's use *# 06 # and the IMEI number just pops up. So tap OK. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.